Hello, boating enthusiasts. Are you ready to keep your Mercury outboard engines running smoothly? Introducing the Water Pump Repair Kit, specifically designed for Mercury models, including the F40-60 4-stroke Bigfoot/Command Thrust, 60 HP 2-cycle Bigfoot, and even the powerful V200/225/253.0 L 2-cycle. This kit ensures your engine stays cool and efficient. Don't let a faulty water pump spoil your day on the water. Opt for reliability and performance with our repair kit. For more information, reach out to us at email seller@osakamarine.com, mobile phone WhatsApp, +886 984 252 201, or visit our website at globewithmeridians www.osakamarine.com. Let's keep your engine in top shape.